Empowering India's migrant workforce. Migration in India is a dynamic process and 2011 census reported over 41 million interstate migrants. According to the 2020 and 21 migration report, the overall migration rate is 28.9% with 26.5% from rural areas. Around 10% migrate mainly for employment. To improve their lives, the government is committed to making their journey smoother through various initiatives. The eShrema portal is one of the such initiatives aimed at enhancing their quality of welfare scheme for the migrant laborers. Employment schemes are designed to improve the lives of workers by providing access to opportunities for skill development, financial assistance, and social security. These initiatives aim to empower workers, offering support that enhance their livelihoods and ensures greater security for their future. Few such schemes include PM Street Windows Atmanirbhar Nidhi, PM Samvanidhi, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, PM Street Windows Atmanirbhar Nidhi, launched on June 1st, 2020. The scheme aims to provide collateral free working capital loans to street vendors. This initiative was introduced to help vendors scheme resume their businesses which were severely impacted by the COVID 19 pandemic, offering them financial support for recovery and self reliance. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana, the scheme launched by the Ministry of Labour and Employment on 15th February 2019, aims to provide a minimum assured pension to workers in the unorganized sector, including migrant workers, upon reaching the age of 60. The scheme, announced in the interim budget, targets workers earning less than 15,000 per month and offers a monthly pension of 3,000 after they turn 60, ensuring financial security for their future. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya, launched on September 2023 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana aims to achieve universal health coverage by providing health coverage to India's most vulnerable, covering over 12 crore families. It's provide 5 lakhs health coverage for secondary and tertiary health benefits to those migrant workers who are covered as enabled beneficiaries as per deprivation and occupation of criteria. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. Government committed to food security is strengthened by the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, which has been extended for the next 5 years, starting from 1st January 2024. This scheme provides free food grains and direct cash transfer to families below the poverty line, including migrant workers. In addition, the One Nation One Ration Card scheme, launched in 2028, ensure food security through the portability of ration cards across India.